Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add switch transition in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Then you can see here are my Keynote presentation. There are many slides of the presentation. Now we can see here are transition drop-down menu. Now click this, and here are many transition. Now I'm switch transition. Now select the transition. Now I am at switch transition many slides. Then you can see here are duration or direction menu. We can increase or decrease this. Now we can see here are slideshow drop-down menu, slideshow menu. Now I'm click this. Wait a moment, our slideshow is starting. Click left on your mouse. Our press escape on your keyboard. Now you can see add switch transition in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.